Hello, the purpose of this video is to introduce you to my learning plan and help you successfully navigate this program. After you participate in this training today, you receive an email notification that invites you to join my learning plan. The email notification will look like this. Okay, you have two choices here. If you have an existing Frontline account, you can sign in with your existing account. If you do not have a Frontline account, you need to create a new account by clicking on this blue button here. If you do need to create a new account, your screen will look like this. Please complete all the required information, accept the terms, and create your account. Once you do that, you will have an active account in my learning plan and you will be able to sign in. For our purposes today, I created a test account so we can see how the program works. Put your username and password in, log in. And the first screen you will see will look like this, and this is called your learning plan. This basically is like a dashboard that shows you all of your current status of your professional development and where you're at, whether or not something is in the approval process, whether something is waiting approval, or something has recently been completed and you have finished it. So again, all of your status, it's like a bit of a dashboard here to update you on your current status with your professional development requests. First thing I want you to do is to click over here by your name and go to account settings. Please check the information in your profile to make sure it's accurate. Change anything that's needed and then hit save profile. I also want to show you under security is the place where you can change your username and password if you ever need to do that, and then just hit save security. After you do that, I would like you to come over here to the navigation bar, and under My Information, I would like you to click on My User Profile. This is a very important page for you to start with, as the top part here allows you to adjust your email notifications from my learning plan. Again, I would set these purposes based on how often or how you want to be informed in my learning plan. I definitely recommend approval status changes being checked as yes. What that basically means is that if you have requested to attend an outside conference and it's in the approval process pathway, you will know exactly, you'll get email notifications every time someone, you get moved through that process. So if the first line, if your principal approves it, you'll receive a notification that it was approved, and then it'll move on to the superintendent. Okay, so you can again click anything that you would like to receive notifications on right here. And then for this one, you can just default to 5, but you can also go up to a maximum of 4 if you want to get an email about an activity start date. Please be sure your email is accurate. And down here should be your building should be checked off. If you work in one building, it should be 1. If you work in 2 buildings, it should be 2. If you work across the district, you should have all 4 buildings checked. If that information is not correct, please fix it and check the building that you work in, and only check the building that you work in or the multiple buildings you work in, and then hit save. Return. Again, here's your dashboard page under here in the navigation toolbar for My Information. My Portfolio shows you your completed professional development. It'll be a record of your professional development over time. If you'd like to export that into an Excel document for your records, you can. Okay, again, this is a test account, but it should list here how many hours you have received for this particular workshop and when you took it, and all of your records should be listed here in completion.